Right, let's talk about cars. We see them every day, but have you ever wondered what's really happening under the bonnet? Beneath the metal is a world of mechanical genius, explosions, gears, and electricity working together to get you from A to B. It's not magic, it's brilliant engineering, and anyone can grasp the basics. Think of a car as a team: the muscle, the brains, the legs, and the nerves all working in harmony. When they do, you get acceleration, a smooth ride, and safe stops. Our journey starts with the engine, the powerhouse that turns fuel into motion. Then we'll see how that power reaches the wheels through the transmission. We'll explore how suspension smooths out the bumps and how brakes and steering keep you safe and in control. By the end, you'll see a car as a collection of brilliant ideas, not just a machine. This isn't about turning you into a mechanic, but about appreciating one of humanity's greatest inventions. Ready? Let's dive in and explore the anatomy of the automobile. Let's get stuck in the engine, where the magic begins. It's a big air pump, creating power through thousands of tiny explosions every minute. Its job fuels chemical energy into motion using pistons inside cylinders. Most engines use a 4-stroke cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Air and fuel mix, get compressed, then ignited by a spark. Boom! The piston is forced down, creating power. The crankshaft turns this up and down motion into rotation for the wheels. Press the accelerator, and you're asking for more air and fuel. Bigger explosions, more power. It's noisy, hot, and thrilling, the heart of every drive. The engine turns petrol into pure fun. And that's the fiery dance under your bonnet. Let's see where the power goes next. The engine makes power, but the transmission and drivetrain deliver it to the wheels. The gearbox manages the relationship between engine speed and wheel speed, using gears to keep everything running smoothly. In manuals, you shift gears. In automatics, hydraulics and clever engineering do it for you. The drivetrain, shafts and joints, carries power to the wheels, front, rear, or all four, depending on the car. Front-wheel drive is efficient, rear-wheel drive is sporty, and all-wheel drive gives maximum grip. Each setup has its own character. The drivetrain is the unsung hero, turning engine explosions into smooth motion. Now let's make that ride comfortable. Suspension makes driving comfortable and safe. Without it, every bump would rattle your bones and the car would be unstable. Springs absorb impacts. Shock absorbers control the bounce. Wheels and tires are your only contact with the road. Tires provide grip for accelerating, braking, and turning. Tread patterns channel water away for grip in all conditions. Sports cars have stiff suspension for sharp handling. Luxury cars go soft for comfort. It's a balance between comfort and performance, giving each car its unique feel. Now, let's talk about stopping. Speed is fun, but brakes are vital. Press the pedal, and a hydraulic system amplifies your force, squeezing brake pads against spinning discs. Friction turns motion into heat, slowing you down. Modern cars use disc brakes for reliable stopping power. ABS, anti-lock braking system, prevents skids by pulsing the brakes, letting you steer while stopping hard. Traction control stops wheels from spinning on slippery roads. Electronic stability control can brake individual wheels to keep you on course during a skid. These systems are your invisible guardians, keeping you safe. Brakes are simple in principle, but crucial in practice. Now, how do you tell the car where to go? Let's steer. Steering is your direct line to the car. Most cars use rack and pinion. Turn the wheel, a gear moves a bar, and the wheels turn. Power steering, hydraulic or electric, makes turning easy, especially at low speeds. Electric power steering saves fuel and can adjust feel for different speeds. The steering system connects you to the road, making the car feel alive and responsive. It's simple, precise, and essential for control. But what about the car's brain? Let's look at the electrics. The electrical system is the car's brain and nervous system. The battery starts the engine. The alternator keeps everything powered and the battery charged. Electricity runs through a network of wires, powering lights, wipers, and the infotainment system. It also runs the fuel pump, spark plugs, and cooling fans. The engine control unit, ECU, is the car's computer, using sensors to optimize performance and efficiency. Modern cars rely on this digital wizardry for reliability and cleanliness. It's the hidden force making everything work together. Now, let's bring it all together. A car is more than just parts. It's how they work together that creates the magic. Think of it as a symphony engine, transmission, brakes, steering, and electrics all playing in harmony. The driver is the conductor, bringing the orchestra to life. Every system talks to the others, creating a seamless, intuitive experience. It's not about the biggest engine or fanciest brakes, but how everything is tuned to work together. When done right, the car feels like an extension of yourself, predictable, alive, and responsive. This is the art of automotive engineering, not just building parts, but making them sing together. Next time you drive, remember the symphony beneath your feet. That's the true beauty of the automobile. Thanks for joining the ride.